I'm Nathan Thomas, Head of Product for RDX, which is Ricoh Digital Experience inside Ricoh Europe, responsible for building workplace applications that we distribute globally. Ricoh is a multinational organization with 84,000 employees globally, headquartered out of Japan. Ricoh Spaces is one of many products that we look after, and our challenge is really being able to coordinate our efforts and prioritization across the globe. With airfocus, we've managed to go from really struggling to know what we're building and how we're building it and when we're building it, to having a more streamlined process, enabling us to communicate, prioritize, and build the right thing. Every product organization will be able to relate to our challenges, choosing what to build, when to build it, who to prioritize, when to prioritize, which issues we want to fix within the system as soon as possible, and which ones are really affecting our customers. And being able to have a look at all these in one big place and really understand what we want to move forward with was really hard for us. And then you've got to really consider our customer set, which are large enterprise organizations. So bringing all of this together and really prioritizing was a big challenge for us. The goal was really to centralize and build a single source of truth, enabling us to really see the end-to-end process in one tool without going from product board to Jira to Excel, and then trying to fill the gap with communications and meetings, and allowing us to really effectively communicate with one tool. And airfocus has been the great tool ever since that time. One of the key features of airfocus that empowered us to move forward was its flexibility. Other tools are really stringent in what they think product delivery is and how they're going to do it. But as everybody knows, they have their own processes, their own ways of working, their own cultures, and airfocus really allowed us to be flexible, allowing us to build multiple workspaces with multiple fields and really configure what we thought our product delivery process was. And since this time, we've also been evolving this, enabling us to really work in the way that we want to work to be effective. So with an airfocus, we have an end-to-end process from design, feedback, issue management, down to the engineering piece as well. We've actually removed Jira completely, and our development team and our design teams are fully into airfocus. This is a huge leap, but it also shows our confidence in the product and our ability to deliver an end-to-end service utilizing just one platform. People are in one place, seeing the entire history of a story. If you imagine one of our solutions in airfocus, you can see from the conceptualization of that all the way down to delivery and marketing activity, the comments there, the feedback there, and also the insights it was originally linked to, whether it was an issue report, whether it was a feedback report, closing the loop on our communication channels. Implementing software and making a purchase at Ricoh is a big decision. We're a big organization with a lot of complexity and a lot of teams to onboard, so making the right decision first time is critical. With airfocus, we really felt that we were buying into a partnership and not just software, which is important for us. For example, the CEO and some of the team came over and participated in one of our tech summits with a presentation around product management. Having airfocus participate at our tech summit not only helped my buy-in, but it also helped with the team's buy-in, as the team had direct access to all of the airfocus team and actually got to see that they were real people doing really great things, which sometimes in software, you just don't know whether it's good or not. So let's talk benefits. With airfocus, we have really been able to see a massive difference in what we've been able to deliver. We've actually gone from a partial agile to a full agile delivery process, and we've gone from releasing maybe 4 or 5 features every month to our first release was around 40 features in around 2 weeks. And airfocus has now become a central tool for communicating all of those releases and roadmaps without having to manually build presentations and overviews. It's all there. The benefit of airfocus is we can make multiple feedback boards. Bringing this together brings the voice of the customer, the voice of the sales teams, and the voice of our strategic teams together for real prioritization and opportunity gathering. This is a big thing, and we didn't have this before. All feedback was by chance if you managed to get it through to somebody at the right time. So now we've fully implemented airfocus. Our next steps are utilizing more OKRs, more roadmaps, and expanding to more regions. I'm also keen to get more of our teams involved. As I said, we've got thousands of employees at Ricoh, Getting more people contributing to feedback and ideas is going to be critical, but also more of our services. There are more product organizations within Ricoh that will really benefit from taking on a single point of view in airfocus. And I think once we get to the point that all products and services are in one tool, we'll have clear visibility of how to provide value to all of our customers across all of our product sets, which is something that we've not been able to do to this date. We managed to go from conceptualizing what we wanted to do with airfocus to a full implementation in around 1 to 2 months. And in the whole 6-month period that we've been using airfocus, we've managed to move our entire process into airfocus. So what I would say is the implementation timeline is fast, our ability to customize is very fast, and our ability to actually see feedback we've given to airfocus and where we'd like to see improvements and it being implemented to the platform is also really quick. I'm really looking forward to working with the airfocus team, and I'm really looking forward to see where their product goes in the future, and I'll hopefully be there giving them enough feedback so that they can actually help me even more.